For those in the healthcare industry, Atlantic will help you. HIPAA compliant, managed and unmanaged hosting is designed to protect essential data and records and is verified by a third party. This hosting is SOC1, SOC2 certified and HIPAA verified. Multiple layers of security and encryption exceed HIPAA recommendations. When dealing with HIPAA regulated data, choosing a secure host is crucial to avoid costly fines from regulators. Atlantic.net offers HIPAA compliant hosting that exceeds HIPAA guidelines. HIPAA hosting is a very niche target, but don't worry, there's a plan for other businesses as well. Its managed dedicated hosting is suitable for e-commerce websites with high traffic and the need for fast and secure data transfer. Finally, there's cloud hosting, a plan to consider if your site is either not big enough to justify an expensive dedicated server or is increasing and needs to scale. This is the only type of hosting that includes plans, so if you don't want to get rates, this is a great option. However, if you need a dedicated host or private cloud, you can go back to the phone. Atlantic.net offers blazingly fast SSDs and an unprecedented variety of cloud plans. These hosts, however, gives you all the information you might need. Each plan description comes with clear information, so you know exactly what product you're getting. But don't forget the absolute flexibility that Atlantic.net offers. There are 20 cloud plans, each optimized for specific use: storage space, storage capacity, compute, total. Atlantic.net does not explicitly name any of their plans as VPS plans, but they state that they have combined their VPS and cloud hosting packages. To determine which hosting package best suits your needs, it may be helpful to assess your needs and expected traffic. The cost of cloud services is not fixed and increases as additional resources are added, but you pay only for the help you use. Atlantic.net cloud servers offer the following features. Cloud hosting means that additional hosting resources are provided instantly. This is a feature that sets cloud hosting apart. Daily backups at a fraction of the cost. You'll get access to the Web Host Manager control panel as an add-on. If you want to use WordPress to run your site, Atlantic.net offers one-click installation. One of their specials is HIPAA-compliant WordPress hosting. So if you have a healthcare business or are running it on WordPress, Atlantic.net should be on your list of hosts to explore and evaluate. But there may be other web hosting providers to consider for WordPress optimized hosting packages if you don't run a healthcare business. Atlantic provides data centers throughout the US, Toronto, Canada, and London, UK. You may need a CDN, such as Cloudflare, if you're shipping to countries outside of those regions. They are SSAE verified and certified so that you can trust their security standards. Cloud hosting providers provide additional benefits to customers. You get flexible and reliable hosting, ensuring that you can meet the sudden surge in demand. But security is another critical component of cloud hosting. Atlantic.net has the following security controls. Enhanced security with SSAE and SOC reporting. The American Institute of International Certified Professional Accountants has introduced service organization control reports to regulate this. These SOC reports will determine whether a service provider, in this case a cloud-based web host, meets security requirements to prevent data breaches. To receive these reports, hosting providers must meet the criteria outlined in Statement of Standards for Attestation Assignments Number 1. HIPAA Compliance. Atlantic.net details its HIPAA compliance, attesting that its hosting solutions meet the privacy and security criteria outlined in the regulations, and that third-party auditors have verified this. Uptime Guarantee and High Performance. This host provides a 100% uptime guarantee, and the company puts its money where its mouth is, making up for the lost time in the event of downtime. Atlantic.net offers servers based on Windows, Debian, or Red Hat. Cloud users can even choose FreeBSD, an OS that's not usually part of such product lines. Although Atlantic.net doesn't offer a money-back guarantee, they use a pay-as-you-use pricing model, so you only pay for the services you use. Contracts automatically renew each month, and you can give notice of non-renewal to cancel your plan through the Atlantic.net dashboard.